Okay, this is my first attempt at recording a Zoom meeting so that I can explain some homework to you guys. Please be nice. Mrs. Ketterling is learning new tricks, and she doesn't like new tricks. So let me share my screen with you. All right, hopefully everybody can see this. This is the Ketterling Kola paper that all of you should have at home. If you don't have one, you can go to the school and there is some in the office and the secretaries can get that to you. The school office is open 10 to 2 every day. So here's what I want you guys to do. First of all, let's start down here in the gas circle. Some of you have a copy where these two little arrows coming out of the gas circle were missing. So draw those in and then draw in the little hot dog shape. I'm going to start calling these hot dog shapes and asterisks, okay? What you are supposed to do, you can see that we have 3 phases of matter: solid, liquid, gas. They are not like the containers that we did our square pictures in, where you had to show me the solid was a solid by having it not take up the shape of the container. So that's a little different. I apologize. But choose any circle that you want. And we're going to, let's just say, I'm going to say let's go with from the liquid. No, let's go from solid. Start in the solid. As I leave following these arrows, I'm going to come up to a little hot dog. And in that hot dog, you are going to tell me whether this particular phase change from a solid to a liquid is endothermic or exothermic, okay? Then you keep following, you get to an asterisk. And the asterisk is where you put the name of the phase change. What do we call it when we go from a solid to a liquid? If you don't know these, look them up. You guys have the Google, right? Lots of stuff. So that's what you're going to do in between each one. Notice that there's also an arrow that comes out of the liquid back to the solid. Again, hot dog, endothermic or exothermic. Today's quiz told you, had you look up the difference between endothermic and exothermic. And I believe at the top of this paper, there's a place for you to write the definitions for endo and exothermic. And again, between the asterisks are going to be the name of the phase change. Down here, from a liquid to a gas, from liquid to gas, we have 2 asterisks, which means there's 2 different names for that. There's actually 3 different names because I have evaporation written here, and what I want you to put there is the difference. What's the difference between evaporation and the 2 names of the phase changes here? Again, use your resources, look it up. It's not rocket science. So you're going to fill all of these in. And then in these little dashed boxes, I want you to tell me, what do you know about the particle movement of solids? What do you know about the spacing of the particles within a solid? What do you know about the shape? Does it stay the same shape if I move it, or does it change? We could say it's fixed or not fixed. Same thing with the volume. We've talked about this. This is in our notes. And then tell me what you know about crystalline and amorphous solids. In here, this little square, dashed square, is hooked to the gas circle, so I'm asking about particle movement within gases. What do you know about it? Are they moving fast? Are they moving super fast? Whatever. Are they not moving at all? Can we have particles that don't move at all? Can we? I don't think so. And then tell me what you know about shape and volume. Here, same thing. Liquid, attached to the liquid circle is this little box. And then I have particle movement, spacing. What do we know about shape? What do we know about volume? What do you know about surface tension and viscosity? This is just give me the definitions. And then finally, this is the only assignment I'm going to have you do this week. other than your daily quizzes, I want you to color this. I want you to color it so beautifully that me in my quarantine state will cry. I want somebody to color better than Eliza for once. Can somebody beat Eliza or Lorelei? Can you? Huh? Come on, step it up, people. So I'm going to post this. And I'm also going to be sending out the Zoom meetings and explaining what they're intended for. And I really, really hope everybody's doing okay. And I hope everybody is safe and well. So I'm going to stop recording and try to download this and send it to you guys. Bye.